Hey everyone, welcome. Today we're taking a look to a plugin that I've been trying for over months now, Dehancer. I'm using it on DaVinci Resolve, and if you want to speed up your workflow or give a cinematic looks, maybe it could be interesting for you to check this video. So what's exactly Dehancer? From their website is a film emulation plugin, but you can do way more than this obviously. And I've been using it to almost color grading my entire footage. It comes with many features like film grain, bloom, halation, and many others like gate wave. Basically, if you want to give a looks like cinematics or organics or even old school, I would say this plugin can help you a lot, I think. Once in DaVinci, you will find the answer in your library effect in the color page. In my case, I will put the answer in the middle and apply some color correction before and other effect after, like sharpness or even noise reduction. And for me, I will use the answer as a CST kind of, and I will input my camera settings, which in my case will be the Sony a7 IV. And because I'm shooting in S-Log3, I need to input my camera settings. If you don't shoot with any profile in your camera, you don't need to do this. So from this you can basically color grade the entire footage, I would say, almost. So the first effect is the film. As you can see, there is a lot of film emulation. I think the other day I've tried this CineStill 50D that was giving, I need to enable, that was giving a natural looks, and I could maybe use this film looks in the future. Let's see. You can also going down and you will find your film grain, halation, bloom, and even film damage, which give you those 3D looks. And a feature that I like is the mask mode, so you can see where the bloom or the halation or where your effect is applied. So yeah, if you like color grading, it's definitely a tool to get. You can bring some nice look. It's quite easy with a bit of practice. Let me know if you tried it, or if you have any question, I'll be happy to share. Cheers.